Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. The love connection. Dating apps drive surge in cosmetic enhancements. They're the modern way to find love according to the 323 million people who use them worldwide. But dating apps are fueling an obsession with cosmetic surgery that may not have a happy ending. A new study by researchers at the University of South Australia has shed light on how dating app female users are far more likely to undergo cosmetic procedures and digitally alter their looks on screen than non-users. The emphasis on appearance, particularly with the swipe-based apps, plays a role in influencing 20% of women to change their looks via dermal fillers and anti-wrinkle injections in particular. UniSA Bachelor of Psychology, Honours, Graduate, and Provisional Psychologist Naomi Burghardt, who led the study published in Computers in Human Behavior, says that while the increasing popularity of dating apps has reduced the stigma of using them to find love, there is a downside. The visual nature of dating apps, which prioritize photo-based profiles, places significant pressure on users to present themselves in an idealized manner which is not genuine, Burkhardt says. The researchers surveyed 308 Australian women aged 18 to 72 and found that nearly half of them had used a dating app in the past 2 years, and 1 in 5 reported undergoing at least one cosmetic procedure. Women who used dating apps had significantly more positive attitudes towards cosmetic surgery compared to non-users, and those who altered their appearances digitally were also more likely to consider cosmetic procedures. Apart from the pressures to enhance physical appearance, dating apps could also be partly responsible for an increase in overall body dissatisfaction, eating disorders, anxiety, and poor self-esteem among women. Online dating has become increasingly popular in recent years, and the trend is expected to continue, with dating websites predicting that by 2040, more than 70% of relationships will begin online. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.